This is Voltron, located at Europa Park in West Germany, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing it. Hello fellow people of Earth, and welcome back to Coasters, where we talk about coasters. So first off, Voltron was built by Mack and is the first ever Stryker coaster. Though it looks like the Big Dipper model, it's different because of the larger capacity of 4 rows of 4 instead of 2 rows of 4. The Stryker model is also built for bigger, more intense layouts than the Big Dipper. Voltron is located in the Croatian section of the park and is themed to Nikola Tesla, and the queue is extremely well themed and has many cool surprises mixed in. The outdoor section has views of the ride itself, the ginormous Tesla towers, and great details on the building you're about to enter. And once you enter the building, you are greeted with a large, highly detailed space, with a Nikola Tesla animatronic and giant Tesla coils on the ceiling. And every hour, these Tesla coils play the Voltron theme song. You then go and put your stuff in the lockers. These lockers are free and can be accessed after the ride experience. Once getting a key card for the locker, you go up some stairs and into the station. Voltron has a moving platform, meaning you get into the seat while the platform and train are slowly moving. Once seated, the staff will instruct you to cross your arms and the restraint will come down. The seats are super comfortable and the lap bars are comfortable and snug. You will then exit the station and make a flat left-hand turn. Here you will see electricity all around, blue lights, and another Nikola Tesla through some glass. You then pull forward where you are surrounded by electricity. You then lift up, the track starts vibrating, and you bounce up and down, giving airtime. After that, you launch up the very powerful Beyond Vertical Launch and into an inverted top hat, which gives a great amount of hang time and is the tallest point of the ride. You then go down and go level with the ceiling of the station building and rise up again into a super whippy corkscrew. You go down to the ground and go over a small bunny hill, which gives a quick pop of airtime. Then you go into some fun and whippy moments before going into the second launch. This launch doesn't do much in terms of force, but it's a good way to get more speed. You then go into an insane stall with some of the most hang time I've experienced. From there, you whip out down to the ground and go into an insane airtime hill with some of the best insane ejector I have experienced. You then go into some fun turns and to another whippy inversion, sending you to the ground and into some brakes. But this is only the halfway point. You then enter below a Tesla tower and come to a stop. You go through a turntable with a bit of smoke and electricity all around. From here, you do a punchy, short launch backwards before going into a spike, then launching forwards again, giving another solid launch. From there, you go into a twisted top hat, giving both ejector airtime and a whippy sensation. Then you rise up again into another hill with sustained ejector. You rise up again into a fun wave turn with some solid ejector and into a double up into a brake run. The first hop gives a quick pop of ejector and the second gives a bit less powerful flow ejector. And the brake run barely lets you slow down or catch your breath as you almost immediately dip down, giving another pop of ejector and into another whippy corkscrew. You then exit the corkscrew and go through a very forceful turn and into a small overbank. Then you go through another whippy corkscrew and go into a final ejector hill into the final brakes, ending the ride. But through this whole ride, people tend to complain about a shaky ride experience. I didn't feel this when I went on it, but I know it has become a problem for a lot of people. But overall, this is a fantastic roller coaster with great theming, hang time, airtime, and punchy launches. So overall, I give this ride a 10 out of 10. It is truly a standout at Europa Park and definitely the main reason to come here for me. So that is my review on Voltron at Europa Park.
Like and subscribe right now!